With Zelle, a popular digital payment network, customer service is a priority, ensuring that users have a seamless transaction experience. And having a very reliable and efficient customer service is crucial, especially when it comes to managing your finances and making sure you are updated with your finances. That is why in this video today, we will be exploring Zelle customer service and how to contact them. Zelle understands the importance of providing top-notch customer service to its users. Whether you have a question about the transaction, need technical assistance, or have concerns about security, Zelle customer services are available to help. Well, to contact Zelle, you can use any of the methods below. First one, you can fill out a contact form on Zelle's website and submit them. And from there, they will contact you in response through your email. You can check the link to the contact form in the description below. Number two, you can also contact them through their general phone number for immediate cases and response. And that has also been provided in the description below. While searching for the best customer services, Zelle could be up to two, providing a very good customer assistance. And as we end this video, kindly hit the subscription button below for more videos as such.